All right, so in this video, we are going to show you how to order from TikTok shops. Now, TikTok has a feature where you could, buy products and stuff from TikTokers. And before, you're going to see the shop here where you can see on the bottom menu that says friends. That's where you're going to see it before. But now, for some reason, it's changed. It's going to be more towards the account of that person, of that TikTok account that has a store. So you really need to find a shop, an account, a TikTok account that has a store. So for example, if we tap the profile of this video, as you can see, there is a store. You're going to see an icon of a bag that I'm going to tap right now, this one. And as you can see, this is their store. This is the TikTok account store, where they apparently are selling a multitude of stuff, from bags to shirts to snacks, I think, to beds. So for example, if you want to buy, say, this bag, right, just tap on the product and then tap on either add cart or buy now. So if you tap on buy now, you can choose a color. For example, let's choose black, click buy now, and here you're going to be well, you need to add an address, but let's tap later. And you're gonna show what type of payment method, so credit card, debit, cash on delivery, or other methods. And then you can just tap place order, and you're gonna be set. So that's how you order stuff from TikTok shops. And that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next one.